Hi, I'm Emily Madeira. I'm an advanced photography student here at Lynwood, and I've really enjoyed being in photography because we get to express ourselves and be very creative with the way we photograph things. We've gotten to learn a lot of different photography techniques, and we've learned a lot of editing. I don't think I'd be the same experience if it was a different teacher because we get to be very expressive with what we do, and she's allowed different forms of creativity because everyone has their own form of creativity, and she's allowed us all to express it in her own way. She's been very open with how she lets us do things, which I would say is a good part of being in her class.
My program starts with introducing the students to basic camera controls. They learn how to professionally control the camera, take different types of photographs from landscapes, portraits, a lot of nature. And they also get introduced to Photoshop and editing. I find a lot of satisfaction in the students where at first they struggle about controlling the camera, but then once they learn how to focus and do selective focus, then they realize how creative they can be. Some of them think that they don't have the eye for it, but once they learn how to control their cameras, they produce really creative images. We get to be outside. My classroom, or the structure of my classroom, is not to always be inside in the classroom. So we actually do mini field trips where we take the cameras around campus and they take pictures of whatever it is. I've also started a photography club, so I have my photo classes and then yearbook, but I also have a photography club where we meet during lunch and we get hired by different clubs or sometimes by the district to set up a photo booth. It's really exciting for me to see my students pursue photography and take the skills they learn in my class and apply it in real life and become the photographers for their family and friends, big events like weddings and birthdays. And some of them even contact me years later and share with me the work that they're doing. So that's the joy I find in teaching photography.